So today I'm here to show you how to replace the throttle on a John Deere D125 garden tractor. It's okay, Alex. So this throttle kind of wore out on us, and yesterday it went bad. So last time I checked, these two pieces do not equal an easily drivable tractor. So today I'm going to replace that. Now, I've never actually done this myself before, so just hopefully it goes okay. But we will see. Well, we don't need this anymore. Now, I did take the liberty of already going and get the tools we'll need. That should be the only piece we need from the looks of it. So now, let's take out the new throttle. I did open it last night with Dad to make sure the pieces were actually in there before I started this project. Don't need that anymore. Okay. So that's what the new throttle cable looks like. Sorry for the bad filming. I just have my camera on the tripod. So yeah, so that's the new throttle cable. So for the old one, let's pop the hood up. So for the old one here, I don't know, hopefully you can see in there, doing the best I can. So the old one is right there. So, hang on. Right here. So this cable goes to the old one. So I just need to pop that old one out, which hopefully won't be too difficult. We're about to find out, but I don't think it'll be too bad. It's got four here. It's got four of these little plastic clips here. So I just need to get one side pushed in, or one end, and get the other side pushed in at the same time. Now the difficult part is how small it is in here. We need someone with a slightly smaller hand. So let's see if I can do this. Alright. Oh, nope. I had one side. Clips are in really, really tight places. I'm sorry if I'm blocking the camera view too much. I'm doing what I can. Here. There's that tool. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and put it in there because, yeah, it's like impossible to get my finger in there with enough strength to pop it out. Come on. Right. There it is. So. Oh, come on. There we go. Almost got one end out. Oh, had one end out. You just need a lot of force, apparently. It gets in there. Let's use that as a let's use that as a brace. Okay, so now let's go here. Get that side popped out. Oh, come on. That's a really bad angle. That piece is not easy to get out. Should I just break it? I think since this throttle's shot anyway, I should just try and break that clip. That's what I tend to think, because I don't know if that's coming without breaking it. So, come on. Might not come if I do break it. Let me grab my rock pick. Just because the rock pick's the closest hammer I've got without going in the garage. So. There we go. That was easy to pop out. Okay, so just use a hammer to pry under it, I guess. So then, the other thing I need to do is, right here, that's a little nut, and that is holding the throttle cable on. So, I need to take that nut off with this tool. It's a hang on. It's a star bit. Don't know how long this thing hasn't been recording for. Hopefully I got it all. Just loosening it would be helpful. So if I'm missing a small section of this video, I'm sorry. I didn't know the camera wasn't filming. I apparently can't hit a certain button. So let's see. Alright, come on. Whoa. Did that flip over? That's annoying. Come on, a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Got that out. Okay, so now I just need to take that and wire. I just need to, there we go, bend it out. Alright, I'll just pull the assembly out. There's the old throttle assembly. Definitely don't need this anymore. So, that can go. Hang on. I missed the trailer. Okay. So now, it'll be pretty simple. Okay. This is what you're left with. So then, let me just definitely make sure it's right side up, because if it isn't, the shape's all wrong, it won't fit. There we go. I'll just take the new throttle cable. Yeah, you know what? Let me get a piece of paper towel and dry that off real quick. I was out here in the rain last night. I had enough time to put it away before the storm hit. Yeah, that's nasty. Alright. Now, you saw what I'm doing there, so now I'll just snap it in. There we go. That's in. Now, hang on. Alright, moving the camera around constantly is not easy. But I figured I couldn't hold it while I was doing the work because I wouldn't be able to hardly do anything. So then we need to take this cable, slip it through. Hopefully you can see that these two little plastic clips here. Like so. Careful not to puncture your gas line. And then just take that around, slip. Hang on. I'm going to go to the other side so I'm not blocking your view. Trying to make this as good as I can. Well, it's the video, I mean, like as professional as I can, but it's kind of hard to do. So, take that. Oh, there we go. I was going to say, bear in mind it's very stiff. And then, oh, hang on. The hood's kind of in the way. I don't really think I should be taking it off. Oh, wait, which hole did that? Okay, so that was in that hole. You know what, let's take it out of there because it's impossible to work. Oops. This throttle thing keeps wanting to move on me. It makes it really hard to get something in. Come on. Okay, forcing this little clip thing in there is going to be difficult. Let me make sure your view's right. Go. So take this little clip thing, getting it, oh come on, get it in that hole. There we go. Got it? Okay, alright, that's in. So now, let's get this little wire piece into this bracket here. Let's just loosen this bracket up a little bit, make it easier. Don't have enough slack to make it super easy to get it in. Bracket there. Clip that down. Switch the wrench. Back to tighten. And tighten her up. And sure hope it works. We're going to find out in a minute. I know, I would fast forward this stuff, I don't really have... Okay, take that back. I have video editing software. I've not figured out how to use it yet. Hopefully Dad can help me figure it out pretty soon. I'm not a computer whiz. I can figure out what things mean, I can't really figure out how to do them when it comes to computers, so... This is going to take a while, clearly. And I can just spin that knob there. That's helpful. This little spinning knob right there. Alright, so that should be it. Okay, here comes the test. Just close the hood up just for safety reasons, because that is a big spinning disc in there. Now, comes the moment of truth. Okay, let's see. Whoops. Throttle's really stiff. Sounds like it's working. I would say it works. Okay. So I did it myself. Yay. Okay. So now I'll show you what it looks like with the thing in. So I already showed you that part. That part's not quite as important. So bring this out a bit. Come around to the other side here. So now right in there. Come on. There we go. So you can see the cable right here goes into that hole. So it's the very, I guess, the very end hole. So where this thing curves, I don't know how to explain this. So this spike there is going to be the hole that's kind of to the bottom of that spike. And then that just fishes through the bracket, up through those pieces, and up into there. So, yep. So I managed to replace a John Deere Throttle for a D125 lawn tractor. Ready to go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, click the bell to get notifications. You know, all that fun stuff. Say hi to Copper.